Hi, I'm Andrew Collette, project lead for the HV Shield. The HV Shield is a module that turns your Arduino into a digitally programmed 100-volt power supply. It consists of a 5-volt to 100-volt boost converter, followed by a high-precision power supply. You can program the output voltage directly from your sketch, from 1 volt to 100 volts in steps of half a volt. Okay, so I have my Arduino Uno. I have my prototype HV Shield. This is a standard Shield module, so it's pin compatible with the Arduino Uno, the Leonardo, the Mega, and even the new Due. So to go ahead and plug that in there, get it attached, and hook up my voltmeter, that on. Now the output for this Shield is a little terminal block, a little plastic terminal block at the end here. So it's 2 screws, standard screwdriver. Okay, so I'll plug in USB now. So you'll notice that I'm only using USB. This board does not need an external power brick. You can run the full rated output current with just the USB input. Okay, light goes on, thing is turned on. Open up my serial monitor here. So this little serial script and all the other sketches that I'll be showing you today, you can get online at hvshield.org. All right, so it's reading 1 volt output. Go ahead and put in any voltage you want from your sketch, up to 100 volts, and you can do it in steps of half a volt. So I'll go ahead and slam into the full output voltage here. And there we go, 100 volts. All right, so that's the basic demo. Now to give you an idea of what the board can actually do, I have this. This is a neon bulb I got online at Nebraska Surplus Sales. It's basically just a vacuum tube. There's a bulb here that's been evacuated and backfilled with neon at low pressure. And there are 2 electrodes. And you put a high voltage on it, the gas breaks down and it glows. So it's like a neon tube, only lower voltage. So we're going to use the HV Shield to light this bulb. All right, so I have my bulb. I've got a series resistor and 2 leads that go into the HV Shield. By the way, this whole thing is one of our rewards on Kickstarter. You can have your very own neon bulb. So I'll go ahead and hook up the output here, bulb. Okay, so all hooked up here. Go ahead and plug it into USB. Again, this is completely USB powered. There's no external power supply. Go ahead and turn the lights off so you guys can see it better. All right, open up my serial monitor here and set the board for 100 volt output. There we go. All right, so here's a bit more of a close-up. You see that top electrode there in the neon bulb is just glowing. And we can change the brightness by setting the voltage. Set it to 90 volts. There we go. We can set it to 80, 70, 60, and finally it goes away. This kind of a bulb needs 60 or 70 volts to break down. Get back up to 70. And 80. There you go. The HV Shield is designed so that you can build your own circuits on the board itself. There's a prototyping area over here, which is completely separate from the rest of the HV Shield. It's for your own use. It's 4 pads wide, which means it's big enough to use a standard 8-pin dip chip if you want. We also have access to all of the Arduino pins. You'll notice that on the pin interface here, there's a second row of pads, which is offset. And you actually have access to all the Arduino inputs and outputs. Even better, the 2 rows of pads are offset in the same direction. So if you want, you can actually add your own sockets to this and make it stackable. Thanks for watching. There's one more thing I'd like to mention, which is that the HV Shield project is completely open source. We'll release all of our board designs and schematics under a Creative Commons license, and all the sketches and libraries required to support the sketches under the BSD license. Check out our website at hvshield.org for more information, photographs, and a complete list of our Kickstarter rewards.